What's up, YouTube? Just a little recap. I got my mail day from Cufish 78, brother Chris, from his group break, and I also busted a box of UD SPx tonight. Did pretty good. I'm happy with the hit. So let's see. Yeah. Sorry. Let me kind of scroll down. So I got a Marquise Colston for the Saints, numbered 1286 out of 1299. A Benny Brazil for the Bengals, numbered 1020 out of 1299. A Brian Calhoun, numbered 210 out of 650. A TJ Who's Your Mama for the Bengals again. Just a little swatch jersey. These ones are not numbered. A Lamont Jordan. And hit from the box is this AJ Hawk, numbered 204 out of 350. Nice card. So that's the box from the UD SPx I got, and then from Cufish 78, these are the mail day cards I got. I got a Carson Palmer 3-color patch from Gridiron Gear 2010. Got a little white here. This one is number 22 out of 50. A Fran Tarkenton jersey, number 203 out of 250. A Brett Favre Mirror Blue jersey, 96 out of 100. And I did really good in the plates and patches, but let me see. This is just some inserts that I had. For the Ravens, a Dennis Pitta, number 49 of 50. From Limited, a Jordan Shipley auto, number 37 out of 99. And the two hits from plates and patches was this Brandon LaFell, nice patch, part of the whiskers, 467 out of 599. And this Jimmy Clausen 1-color patch, numbered 489 out of 499. So great hits. And oh, I don't know if I made a video of this. Well, I think I did, but just a little recap if I didn't. But I think I did. But this sick Bruce Smith again. I cannot get over this Bruce Smith. You know, thank you, brother Debo 808. You guys, you know, just a sick one. But you guys should go sub to Chris. I'll have his link and Debo's and some other guys down below. So you guys go check them out. Awesome cards. And again, I'm still deciding on a group break but what I'm not too sure what I want to break. You guys please put comments up of what maybe you guys want to get, what you guys want to try and break. You know, it's all for you guys, you know. So you guys just put your comments up and see what you guys want to break, and if I can put it together and keep the prices cheap for you guys, I'll try my best. And also, you guys can check me out on Blog TV, same as my YouTube address or name is EMT in Hawaii. Check me out on blog. Got lots of cards. I mean, I'm open for a lot of trades, or you know, maybe you can do some raffles or something. But you know, I just got a lot of these extra mirror reds, all autos. You know, rookies. A LeGarrette Blount. This is a good one. Numbered 1 out of 10. You know, just got a lot of cards. So you guys just hit me up, and you know, if you guys want to trade, or you know, see what you guys want to do, can raffle some stuff off, you know. So alright, you guys, thank you very much, and keep on busting those packs, and I'll see you later. Peace.